Ooh, my darlings, look at this beautiful card. I'm going to write it to my friend right now because 'tis the season. My dearest Sonia, shut your face. Hole. With cake. Love, Tabitha. I do love this season. It's dark, it's light, all at the same time. Like a fruitcake, like me. Very dense and yet colorful. And also you are very colorful and not quite as dense, probably. It's likely. So, have a merry, happy, joyful pony thingy wherever you are. I've lost the plot. Oops, there's the plot. It's gone. Yeah, I just wanted to say hi and I love you all, you smelly lot of beauties. You infinitely smelly lot. And by smelly, I mean fragrant and delicious. And edible. I'm all by myself in this room, so the only thing that's available is what's inside my head. So you get what you get, and you don't get upset. Love you hard. Talk to you later. Bye.